Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to export your chats in WhatsApp from one phone to another. So let's get started. At first let's get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. So let's tap on this. Now click on this three dot icon in the top right corner and click on settings. Click on chats. Scroll down and we can see this option called transfer chats. So let's tap on this and click on start. Now before getting further, we need to download this WhatsApp app in our new phone. We want to transfer the chats and register that with our same phone number and then scan the QR code. We need to use this phone and this camera over here to scan the QR code shown in the new phone. After doing that, your chats will be transferred or exported to the new phone. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.